guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have the brand new James Charles x Morphe. This palette is everywhere right now. It's on Twitter, it's on Instagram, it's on YouTube. I mean, I'm so excited. It took a minute for it to come in just because the first day it sold out everywhere. And I was so excited. I made sure that I was online as soon as it hit. I ordered it and a couple hours later it was gone. It was 100% sold out. I think Ulta, they've sold out twice already. But I'm so excited because this palette looks amazing. The carton that it comes in is beautiful. It's got the James Charles picture that he did for his tutorial. If you watched his video, which I had to watch it. I needed to know before it dropped what was in there, how to use it, and that's definitely the biggest thing. I will link that video down below in the comments because he does the swatching. He talks about the entire palette, which has 39 colors. He said that Morphe's only done one other palette with 39 colors, and there's so many bright colors in this palette. There's pressed pigments, there's pressed eyeshadows. It's beautiful. So when you take it out of the carton, this is the actual palette. It is a matte black with the shiny Morphe X James Charles with his signature on it. And to open it up, there are these stunning colors. Oh man, I'm so excited to use this. I did actually try and do a video the other day with it and I just ran out of time and I just could not put the effort into the look. So I'm starting over. But the one thing I will say, and the one thing that he has said, is you need to use an eyeshadow primer. So I haven't done my eyeshadow primer. I've done everything else except that, but he does not recommend using a concealer, that you actually use an eyeshadow primer. So for my eyeshadow primer, because I'm going to go with his recommendation, I'm going to use my Too Faced Shadow Insurance 24-Hour Anti-Crease Eyeshadow Primer. This one is running low. I definitely need to buy a new one, but I love this. It 100% will not crease on me. Even with glitter and everything else that you might put on your eyes, it will stay put. Even if the rest of your makeup is running off your face or breaking apart because you've been wearing it for 16 plus hours, this eyeshadow primer is my favorite. So now that our eyes are primed, I'm going to zoom you in and get started on this eye look. Okay, so the one thing with this palette, and I'm gonna try and show you the colors as I use them. It is so big, it does not fit in frame. So I will definitely say the name of the color. And then I will try and show it, like what color it is that I'm using. So the one thing with the Morphe palettes, they don't actually have the names of the eyeshadow colors on the palette. So you actually have to keep the insert because that tells you what color you're gonna be using. I like to set my eyeshadow primer. It's just my prerogative, it's my preference. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the eyeshadow primer. So I'm gonna go ahead and set the eyeshadow primer with this color right here. This is the color Canvas. And you know the drill. It's going all over my eye. And it's just like a peachy color. And I am fair enough that it looks like I'm not doing anything to my eyelid right now. So if you watched the video that James Charles did for the reveal of the palette, as well as the tutorial that he did afterwards, he even stated that you should be packing the color on. That is what we're gonna do today. I know it's a little bit different than what my usual technique is, but we're here to make sure that we use the palette right. So the first color that we're gonna go into is this color right here, Rusted. It is a very orange color. I'm gonna put this into my crease and in the outside V, just to give us a good base. For this, I'm going to be using my MAC 239. I'm just going to use this to pack the color into the crease. Now I'm gonna grab my Morphe fluffy brush. This doesn't actually have a number on it. Now I'm gonna go in with this color Mary. I'm gonna pack this in the outside V, going into the middle. I'm also going to sweep that under the lash line. Kind of has a pinkish red undertone. Alright, I'm actually going to go in with this color Halloween, and I'm going to use my finger to apply this to the middle of my eye. This color is so foiled and beautiful. It's just stunning on the lid. I'm now going to use this color Face. It's kind of like a gold shimmery. It's just beautiful. I'm going to use my finger to apply this on the inner corner and just a little bit underneath the eye on the lower lash line. That color is so smooth and shimmery, and it just, can you see that gold? Oh, it's stunning. I'm going to take this color right here, No Beans. I'm going to pack this in the outside V, and then with my blending brush, I'm going to blend it up into the crease. And then also in the lower lash line just to darken it up a little bit. And then take our handy dandy crease brush. I just want to blend it into the color Rusted. This is by far my favorite eye look I have done so far, and I'm loving this eyeshadow palette. Oh my god, there's so many possibilities. Now I just want to play with like the purples and the blues and see what I can do with it, but we're just focusing on this today. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and do my eyeliner, mascara, and eyelashes because this look needs eyelashes, and I will be right back. Okay guys, so I have my eyeliner, mascara, and my falsies on, and oh my god, I'm using the Rouge and Rogue Dominara eyelashes. These are so fluffy. Can you see them? Like, I know like a couple videos ago I was like, I don't do falsies, they're not my forte, I'm not good at it, and then bam, these are my favorite. They're super fluffy, they're soft. The band is actually a little bit thicker, so it was easy to apply. And I just used my clear lash glue, and I made sure to do my eyeliner on the top lid to hide the black band, which super easy, but I think lashes are like my new favorite thing because they transform a look. But can we talk about like this complete look using the James Charles Morphe palette? Like, I love the colors. I love how pigmented they are. Yes, you have to do a different technique to use them. He said it in his video, which I said I will link below, and I will do it. And listen to what he said, because he designed this palette. Like, he knows how to use it. He's used it so much. Use an eyeshadow primer. Make sure you pack the colors and then blend them out. He stressed it in his video. He stressed it in his tutorial. I've seen what happens when you just try and fluff it on, but follow their directions. It's a different technique for a lot of people. It does take a little bit of time to pack it on and blend it out, but you can accomplish it. But that's it for this video, you guys. If you like this look, if you like this video, make sure to subscribe. Hit that bell icon next to it for notifications of new videos, which are Monday, Wednesday, and Saturday. And then if you like this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up so that I know that you like this video, and I will keep putting out new content. And again, until next time, you guys, thank you for stopping by.